Some people could struggle to acquire weight, and they might be looking for foods that could be of assistance. You might need to include some food groups in your diet if you want to put on weight. 1. Avocado. Avocado is a fantastic food for weight growth because it has healthy fat and a lot of calories. Vitamins and minerals are found in avocados. Anytime you wish to eat, you can include avocado in your meal. 2. Dark chocolate. Due to the high calorie content of dark chocolate, weight gain is possible. It offers lots of antioxidants and health advantages. 3. Dried fruits. In addition to having a lot of calories, dried fruits also include minerals and antioxidants. They are ideal for gaining weight because they have a high natural sugar content. 4. Oily fish and salmon. Salmon and other oily fish are excellent providers of protein and healthful fats. They provide protein to aid in weight gain or muscle development. 5. Red meat. One of the best natural sources of dietary creatine is red meat, which also aids in muscle growth. Leucine, an amino acid found in red meat, aids in the promotion of muscle protein synthesis. In order to consume more calories, it is crucial that you eat fatty meats. 6. Rice. Due to the fact that 1 cup of cooked rice contains 204 calories, 44 grams of carbohydrates, and trace amounts of fat, rice has the power to help you gain weight. Rice is a simple way to consume a lot of calories and carbs. If you have a poor appetite, this may encourage you to eat more. 7. Milk. Milk provides qualities that make it possible to put on muscle or acquire weight. It has calcium, vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, and other nutrients. A study found that consuming milk and whey together can increase weight. When you do weights and drink milk, you can also gain muscle.